Have you ever wondered how to control your racing thoughts and find true inner peace? The mind is like a river, constantly flowing with thoughts, emotions, and memories. Mastering it begins with understanding its nature. Buddhism teaches us to observe our thoughts without attachment. This awareness helps us find clarity and peace instead of reacting impulsively. Mindfulness, or sati, is the practice of being fully present in each moment. It helps us focus on the now rather than worrying about the past or future. By embracing anicca, the principle of impermanence, we release our attachment to past regrets and future anxieties, freeing our minds. Right effort teaches us to cultivate positive thoughts and let go of negative ones, helping us maintain a peaceful state of mind. Small daily practices like meditation and gratitude can gradually transform your mindset and help you stay grounded throughout the day. Start your day with 5 minutes of meditation to center yourself. Choose one activity to practice mindfulness, whether it's walking, eating, or even breathing. Write down 3 things you're thankful for each day. This practice shifts your focus from lack to abundance. Mastery of the mind isn't about perfection. It's about consistent effort. Progress, not perfection, is the key to inner peace. The journey to mastering your mind is a lifelong practice. With patience and persistence, you will experience true peace and joy.